There are different type of tools to curl hair. Who knew there were so many? But what if I tell you this one is our favorite and it's only worth around $6?
The new optimal sponge. You know, this is for the curly cues. This is the new modern way we do the texturizer now. Okay, I just want you guys to know. We don't put chemicals in the hair no more. We leave the hair all natural. Okay, we put the juices and berries up in there. This is the juices and the berries. The pink lotion by Moisturize, the oil moisturizer. Okay, that's all we use in the hair. We apply that and we apply the sponge. That's it, nothing more. It's nothing more than this. And for all you people who are using the sponge the wrong or the improper way, let me show you how to use it. Twist, stop. 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 That's all you have to do, and you complete the cycle. You see how the hair is getting more and more curly. You see how it's getting curly. The more and more I do it, and you just keep reapplying. You just keep reapplying, and eventually you're going to get to your point where your hair is nice and curly the way you want it. And the more you do, the more curls you get.
Means something different to his supporters as they are receiving
the new curly cue.
To what it is the president is saying.
Pick you up one today at your local beauty supply store.
Okay.
Right? That wasn't able to go that far. But this
Oh man, I just
will
jumped.
not be president on January 20th.